Hey, welcome back to our shop just outside Kennesaw here in North Georgia. Today we have a special restoration guest, my grandson Preston. And Preston's going to give a special lecture on how to take drawer pulls off of a dresser drawer. So Preston, you take the drawer pulls off the drawers and you tell the people how you do it.
What way?
Turn it counterclockwise to the left. Explain what you're doing.
I am pulling the screw like a clock, and I'm making sure that they're doing in.
Right, here let's turn it so it's this way. And now unscrew it like that. Attaboy. Keep going. You got it. Can you grab it with your hands now? Turn it. Okay, can you take it out the rest of the way?
Yes.
Is it coming?
Yes.
Okay, show the people what you got. What's that called?
A screw.
Right, and what's this piece? That's the plate?
Oh, yes.
Okay, show them how the screw goes in the back.
Like this.
Very good. Do you have any advice for people that are trying to do this job? Is it hard or is it easy?
Hard.
It's hard, but you did it anyways?
Yeah.
Good work. You want to say something to everybody? Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thanks for coming to our shop.
Thanks for coming to our shop. Bye. Adios. if they're watching.